Good morning, traders. This is the Stock Sumo over at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, and today's Thursday, December the 12th, 2013. And today we're doing an update on PHOT, that's PHOT, Growlife Inc., traded on the OTCBB. And yesterday the stock started to break out again, and we broke past our previous resistance, this previous swing high. Got a lot of nice things setting up on the chart, so I want to break this down for you. This is one of those medical marijuana stocks we've been following for quite some time now. Over a year we've been tracking the medical marijuana industry as a whole. Ever since states like Colorado and Washington approved the drug and legalized it, we definitely have been watching this whole sector because it's provided us with some very nice opportunities at making some big profits. And we're going to continue to monitor the sector as a whole. Just saw some news yesterday about how New York State is apparently looking at possibly overturning their legislation and legalizing the drug as well. So as more states decriminalize medical marijuana, expect an increase in revenue streams for these companies that are in that sector. So that leads us to PHOT this morning. It's been a big mover and gainer for us in the past. Let's talk about some of these highlights on the chart. Notice back here in August and September we had this double top formation, and I think in the last video that I discussed, once we broke through that double top, that's when we really started to break out, and we broke through the 50 and 200 day moving average. We had a consolidation, yet the support held off of our previous resistance. We like to see previous resistance hold as a future level of support, and notice that happened again right here after this recent consolidation. After we broke through these resistance area, we came up, tested the 10-cent mark, hit 10.5, and then that's when we saw a consolidation and we lost support below the 50-day moving average. But notice it only had one candle below that 50-day moving average. It came down here, found support at 6-cent range, which was our previous resistance spot. So now the stock is rebounded after that consolidation, and it's breaking out to new highs. Golden cross formation happened back in October. That 50-day moving average came through and rose above the 200-day moving average. We always like seeing that occur. Stocks tend to break out after that happens, and notice PHOT did exactly just that. We got the breakout after we got the golden cross. We got our consolidation, and now it's on the breakout again. Big volume increase. That's healthy with the price move up. We got the RSI that's coming up back into the power zone. So that's a really good sign, seeing this RSI hold above that 50 line, and now it's getting up towards the power zone. Anything between 70 and 90 for our RSI is considered the power zone. We also have a crossover on the MACD. That's a bullish sign. And notice this histogram, these blue bars, just flipped over to the positive side. So a lot of good points on this chart I want to point out. Now that we're breaking out, expect the breakout to continue, but eventually we're going to look for a consolidation, and we're going to look for a consolidation and support to hold off of our previous resistance levels. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to stop by our blog at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. Type in the search bar, medical marijuana alerts. Check out all the recent plays that we've highlighted over the past year, and we look forward to bringing you more opportunities. Keeping it real, BlueHorseshoeStocks.com.